Dear student, today I will discuss about estimation of water retaining capacity of soil sample by using 100 ml measuring cylinder. In case of this, procedure is first we have to weigh 40 gram of soil sample with the help of electronic or single pan physical balance. This 40 gram of soil sample we have to transfer into 100 ml measuring cylinder to take soil volume reading. Next, take another 100 ml measuring cylinder and place funnel with wet ordinary filter paper. Why we are wetting using wet ordinary filter paper? Because we have to remove all soil pores in case of filter paper which is occupied by air. We have to remove that air. That's why we are using wet filter paper. And then we have to transfer soil into this funnel. Then take 50 ml of distilled water in measuring cylinder and pour it slowly to the soil till drainage will start. After drainage will stop, then note down the volume of filter rate, that is drain water, and put all the values in the formula to get the result. In case of formula, we have WRC, that is water retaining capacity, is equal to volume of water absorbed by the soil divided by volume of the soil sample multiplied by 100. And next is volume of water absorbed is equal to volume of water taken minus volume of filter rate. Now, dear student, to determination of water retaining capacity, I am giving you demo for the same. First, we have to weigh 40 gram of soil sample with the help of electronic balance. It is showing 40 gram. Second, we have to transfer this 40 gram of soil into 100 ml measuring cylinder to know volume of the soil. First, we have to hit upper surface of the soil so that it is horizontal. And from this, it is clear volume of the soil is 35. You can note down because in case of calculation, it will help you. Volume of the soil is 35 cc. Now, second step, as I have told you in my previous video, that this is your funnel and this is your filter paper. What is the use of funnel and filter paper? As you know, we have to fold this filter paper one and this two times. You have to fold this filter paper and then you have to open like this, and you have to put this filter paper into funnel, and then with the help of this distilled water we have to wet this filter paper. Now I am wetting. Why I am wetting this filter paper? So that all the pore space which is present in filter paper is occupied by water, so that when we will go for retaining capacity of soil, there should not be any error. Now I am, all pores is now occupied by water which is present in filter paper. Now it is okay. Now I am putting this funnel with filter paper into this measuring cylinder 100 ml. Note down, student. Now I am putting into this. Now I will transfer 40 gram of soil which volume is 35. Always you have to remember. Now I am transferring. See, student. So slowly we have to transfer this 40 gram of soil into this funnel in which we have already filter paper. Now, in advance, you have to take 50 ml of distilled water. Slowly we have to add this 50 ml of water into this dry soil. Now I am adding. See, dear student, and when soil is saturated, drainage will start from this point. Look at it. All 50 ml of water I will add to this 40 gram of soil. Now soil is saturated with water, and whatever the pore space occupied by the air is removing out. See, abhi now there is now drainage is started. You will see water drop by drop moving downward, collected into this 100 ml measuring cylinder. Now leave it. After addition of all 50 ml of water, distilled water into this, we have to wait for 10 to 20 minutes, and drainage of water depends on soil type. Sandstone we will take less timing, and maybe clay rich soil will take little more time to drain excess water from the soil. Now, dear student, after 20 minutes of waiting for total drainage of water, see, from this point there is no drainage of water. Now, whatever drainage is there, it is collected into this measuring cylinder, and the volume of water collected is 32. As you know, water taken is 50 ml, water collected is 32, means total water absorbed by 40 gram of soil is 18. By putting all these three values into formula, that is water retaining capacity is equal to volume of water absorbed by soil divided by volume of soil sample multiplied by 100 will give you water retaining capacity in percentage.